Welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's video, we will talk about Module 1. What is ISO 9001-2015 and why it matters? In this video, you will learn what is ISO 9001-2015 and why it matters. Introduction to ISO. What is ISO 9001-2015? Key features of ISO 9001-2015. Relevance to Bangladesh's garments industry. Real-world example. What is ISO 9001-2015 and why it matters? Let's begin with our objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the purpose and background of ISO and explain why ISO 9001-2015 is important, especially in the context of Bangladesh's garment industry. This knowledge will help you see the global relevance and business value of implementing this standard. 1. Introduction to ISO. ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It was established in 1947 and is based in Geneva, Switzerland. ISO develops global standards across all types of industries from healthcare to manufacturing. These standards make global trade easier and help ensure safety, quality, and consistency in products and services. ISO is like a common language that businesses around the world understand and trust. 2. What is ISO 9001-2015? ISO 9001-2015 is the world's most widely used quality management standard. It applies to any organization, regardless of its size, product, or service. The main goal of ISO 9001 is to ensure consistent product or service quality, and to improve customer satisfaction over time. It helps organizations structure their processes and continuously improve their operations. 3. Key features of ISO 9001-2015. ISO 9001-2015 includes several important features. Risk-based thinking helps you identify and manage risks before they become problems. The process approach means focusing on improving how work flows through departments. Leadership and customer focus are central, management must lead by example, and customer satisfaction is key. Continual improvement is about always finding ways to do things better. 4. Relevance to Bangladesh's garments industry. ISO 9001 is highly relevant to the garment sector in Bangladesh. It helps improve buyer trust and meet international compliance standards. Internally, it reduces waste, defects, and the cost of poor quality. It also supports alignment with global safety initiatives such as the Accord, Alliance, and RSC, making factories more attractive to international buyers. Real-world example. Here's a real example. A woven garments factory in Gajipur implemented ISO 9001-2015. Within 6 months, they reduced quality rejections by 30%. As a result, they secured a new contract with a European buyer. This shows how ISO 9001 isn't just theory, it delivers real business results. Activity and homework. Now it's your turn to reflect. Ask yourself, how can ISO 9001 improve your factory's performance? Write down to 2-3 bullet points based on today's learning. For homework, read a sample quality policy from a certified garments factory. Identify which ISO 9001 principles, like customer focus or continual improvement, are reflected in it. This exercise will help you connect theory with real-world applications. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. See you in Lesson 2, Overview of Quality Management Systems.